If you're trying to make money online, having an effective sales page is critical. Sales pages are what make running an automated online business actually work. And when it comes to writing sales pages, there are some key components that are non-negotiable, like having a good hook, communicating the price to value ratio, helping this person realize that there is a problem in their life and that your product is the thing that is going to help them. But there's another key component that so many people overlook or just completely avoid in their sales copy, and that is a money-back guarantee. If you do not have a money-back guarantee on your sales page, you are leaving money on the table. Today, I'm going to cover why having a guarantee is going to help you make more money online and how to present it in a way that actually adds more value to your offer so that people buy. Let's dive in. If you're looking to start or grow your online business and you want to learn how to ethically sell your knowledge, passions, and skills online, then I highly recommend you download my 5-step guide. This is a no-fluff guide that's going to help you find your business or next product idea. It'll help you identify your target audience and what they find valuable. It'll show you how to build a business by giving things away. We'll cover what type of digital products sell best and the sweet spot on what to price them at. And I'll show you how to create a business that works for you day in and day out without having a team of people. This guide is jam-packed with practical knowledge and action steps for you to take. It'll probably take about 10 minutes to read through, and the biggest thing is that you just take what you learn and put it into play. To get your guide, just go to profityourknowledge.com/guide, or there is a link in the description as well. When I review sales copy with my clients or inside of online communities that I'm in, I see so many people avoid this simple but powerful step, and it's just to add a guarantee to your sales page. Now, this is due to insecurity and having a scarcity mindset, thinking that I need to just collect the money, I have to take it. But when done properly, it adds so much value to whatever it is that you're offering. Psychologically speaking, what a guarantee does is remove any fear, doubt, or sense of risk that the reader could be feeling. Inside of their mind, they're thinking, well, what if I buy this and it doesn't deliver? What if I buy this and it wasn't a good fit? Now, a lot of these questions should be answered before the person ever gets to your sales page, but no matter what, with a buying decision, people naturally start to question and they want to back their emotional decision of buying this product with some logic. Now, if you don't have a guarantee at all, less people are going to buy. Adding a guarantee puts the risk on you instead of the buyer, which forces you to create a better quality product by putting more thought and more effort into that product so that you can minimize the amount of refund requests that you get. And yeah, some people are going to take advantage of your guarantee, but most won't. The large majority of people will be happy with their purchase, assuming that you've created a quality product. Now, where you should put the guarantee in your sales page should be after you've revealed whatever the price is of the product. In this guarantee section, clearly explain in the most unambiguous way possible how long the guarantee is, along with the exact steps that they need to take in order to get their money back. Now, it's up to you to decide how long your guarantee is going to be. It could be 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, even a year long. It really comes down to how big of a course that you have, how much you're offering these people, how long you think that it'll really take them to at least try the things that they're learning. In my opinion, 30 to 60 days is perfect. I think that that's plenty of time, more than enough time really, for people to go through the entire course and test out the processes. Now, the way that we can deliver this is by saying something like, that's right, go through this entire course, test the processes, test the systems, even use it and get the results that you wanted. And if you aren't completely satisfied in that first 60 days, just send me an email and I will give you a refund immediately. No questions asked, no hard feelings. I just want to see you succeed, and I know that this product will deliver. Even just me saying that right now, how does that make you feel? Do you feel that you can trust me more? That you'd be more willing to purchase my product just to try it out, knowing that you can always get a refund if you weren't happy with the product? Yes, that is the power of having a guarantee. And because so many people don't do this, you will be a breath of fresh air to your potential customer. And the biggest thing about the guarantee is that it gets people to buy. It gets them to put in their credit card information, relax. They know that the risk is really on you more than them. And because of that, they are more willing to buy. And if you've created a rock solid product that over delivers, gives them far more than what they were expecting when they first made that purchase, they're going to be happy. And if they weren't satisfied with the product, so be it. You can always just get some feedback and see, well, what could I do to make this an even better product than it already is? Doing that is going to make you a better business owner and help a ton more people. It helps the people who are on the fence actually buy the product, and then they realize that it was totally worth the money. It was worth 2 or 3 times more than the money. So please do not be afraid to offer a guarantee, because having one proves that you are confident in what you have to offer, and your potential customers are going to pick up on that. And while having a guarantee is a key component to an effective sales page, knowing how to write good sales copy is what's going to make you be successful in online business. And the best type of sales copy is the kind that causes the reader to think, I feel like this person's reading my mind. And that's exactly what I teach you how to achieve in that last lesson called The Real Reason Your Copywriting Won't Sell. Now, while you're working on your sales copy, consider picking up my 5-step guide to start growing an ethical, automated online business today. To your success, I will see you in the next one.